Okay guys, so I'm going to be putting the original airbox back on. Like I said, I ordered that. It didn't come with it. I got to take this air intake off. Like I said, I'm going to change that plate right there, but I ain't going to do it yet because I haven't got the gaskets in yet, but I'm taking this off. So I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay guys, so we got to pull this off here. We're going to take this out here. Take this off here. Let's see, is there anything else on here? I think that might be it for this whole thing. Let me see. Oh, got that stupid intake hose at the bottom down there. You see it? Give me a second, you guys. Okay, so we can get this little hose out of here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that's disconnected. Disconnect the sensor here. Okay, that's it, you guys. So this thing should come off now. There we go. So that's what I'm taking off because I don't need it. Oh shit, he already has that plate in there. I actually bought one of those. You know what I'm talking about, right in the center right there. So this is coming off here, you guys, so you have to give me a minute again. I only got one hand. Okay guys, so this piece that's right here in the middle, you guys already know what that's for, and yes, that throttle body's dirty. I gotta clean it, but I am gonna put it back together because, like I said, I don't drive this right now. You know, I'm just making sure everything's legit on it. The paperwork's already done, but you know, you see all these oil leaks everywhere. I'm just trying to make sure everything's good. So give me a minute, I'm gonna get back to you again. There's a fucking turkey coming at me right here. Look at this shit. Turkeys. Turkeys running down the street. How funny, isn't that, you guys? Turkeys in the street. You can tell I live in the hills, right? So sorry about that, guys. There was a turkey walking by. I had to record it. It was funny. But like I said, this is pretty much it here. I just gotta put the box on right there. So give me a sec. So just remember to do the steps backwards, you know, put everything back together, clip everything on, get it all done. You know, hoses, this hose is going to go on the bottom of this box here. You can see that right there. Let's see. So let's drop this back in here. That's done. Plug this one back in here. Let's put the cap back on here. Whoa, gotta loosen that up. Okay, get that back in. Oh, you can hear that turkey all the way down the street. That's funny shit. Okay, there we go, you guys. So just remember to tighten up everything. I gotta put this box in, but I'm gonna start recording because you know where it's gonna go already anyways. It's gonna go there, the hose and all that good stuff. So that's all, you guys. So I'll talk to you tomorrow or something later.